Hi everyone, Shahan Wicks, AudiSportExpert.ca at Audi Midtown. Today I am going to demonstrate the Audi Drive Select as per request of one of my clients who's looking to see how to change up your exhaust note. So here, let's just go back to the main menu. Click on Vehicle. You'll get this setting here. Go all the way down to individual, and here you can individualize how you want it set up. This is an S model, so I'm in a SQ5. You could be in an S5 or RS5 or any one of the S models there, and you'll have this type of setting here. Now if you want to change the exhaust note, make it quieter or make it more present, you can click that, and that will increase the volume and the throttle noise that you'd like from a sporty exhaust. If you want to quiet it down, you can do that. And if you just leave it on automatic, depending on how you drive, it will actually change the exhaust note. Steering, you can put it to sport. That keeps it on a tighter steering feel on your steering wheel there. Suspension, sport, you feel the road more. It's not as soft and luxurious if you kept it uncomfortable. And drive is keeping it in balance mode, which gives you more of a fuel economy mode versus a sport, which will hold the revs closer to red line before changing the gears on that. But if you leave it on balance, maybe suspension on sport, steering on sport if you like the tighter feel, or the engine sound on present, that'll open it up on there. So I hope that helps for you today. If you have any questions or want to learn more, follow me, Shahan Wicks, AudiSportExpert.ca. But on YouTube, I have a playlist of Audi tutorials. Join me next time. See you soon. Bye for now.